put a spell on you. And now you're mine. What's up, you guys? It's Courtney Bree or Coco Bree, whichever you would like to call me. And welcome to Coco's Halloween Countdown. Oh my gosh, you guys. Check it out. Check it out. Okay, wait. I just like pulled my hair out. 10 days. 10 characters. Actually more than 10. But, before we get into the behind the scenes of this whole little shebang, follow me on TikTok, follow me on Instagram, follow me here, subscribe here. Y'all know the drill. I'm loving this wig. I'm gonna wear this out. Not in this style, but listen, call a little Miss Red Riding Hood. Does she have red hair? Actually, no. Hansel and Gretel? Actually, I don't know. Were they Irish? Let's get into the video. I look a pickle. Let me fix myself. Hold on. I look like a cross between a Cynthia doll and the kid from the Oblongs. I'm losing my mind. Okay. Good morning. It's actually like 6 p.m. but I'm just getting started. So good morning, bitch. Okay, so today is a good day to have a good day. We are doing Hocus Pocus. Yes, I'm so excited because I'm an overachiever. I'm doing all 3 of the Sanderson sisters. Winnie, Sarah, and Mary. I'm gonna just show y'all the costumes real quick. So the only costume that I got was Winnie because I like could not find her costume in pieces, and I was just like, it's so elaborate and so intricate and so like distinct that I was like, let me just go ahead and get a Winifred costume. Okay, so that one is an actual costume. The others are just pieces like I usually do, and just found different little pieces that kind of look similar to what they wear. And I think it's gonna work. Everything that I bought will be linked down below in the description. So if y'all wanna be like the Sanderson sisters for Halloween, I did the work for you. Let me sit y'all down somewhere so that I can show you. So this is the Winifred one, y'all. First of all, this was like $64. Not gonna lie, it was really pricey because like, when am I gonna wear this ever again? I'm gonna sell it. I'm literally gonna sell this to somebody. But it's really good quality. I cannot even front. This is like a really good costume. So this is Miss Winifred. It's like velvet. I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna do Winnie first because I feel like I'm the most energized when I first start filming. I mean, that's with like anything, right? And she's such an iconic character that I feel like I need to exert the most energy with her. So I'm gonna start with her. I also have this red wig here that I'm repurposing for another character. I'm not telling y'all what it is because it's gonna be a surprise. But this little curly joint here, how cute is she? I will be wearing this out like for real. So I'm gonna like, you know, obviously spread out the curls, and then I'm gonna, you know, pin it up and do the whole Winifred Bette Midler look. For Sarah, that's so funny because her real name is Sarah Jessica Parker. I was like, wait, Sarah? Yeah, Sarah Sanderson. I got this blonde wig. And honestly, you guys, okay, so for my wigs, my cosplay wigs, sometimes I'll just get like a throwaway wig, right? But I also want to like be able to reuse them. And I find that the wigs that have like a lace, even though this is synthetic, it still has this kind of lace. I can finesse it to make the scalp look real, and it just gives it more of like a realistic look and less like character-y. Does that make sense? It costs a little bit more. It's like, this was, I want to say like $39, $40 or something like that. But it's worth it because I will be reusing this and wearing this in like so many other videos. I keep swinging her around because she wears like a pink like corset type of thing, and I could not find a cute long sleeve pink corset. I found some cute like no sleeve joints, but I felt like it just didn't really go with like the time period. This medieval looking corset shirt that's long sleeves. It's an off the shoulder joint, so I got this. This red skirt, again, everything will be linked in the description below. This is this like red skirt. A couple things like my Harley Quinn jacket. Remember how I said I was gonna keep it? I thought about it. I was like, I'm not gonna keep this. That's a waste of money. So I sent it back, got my money back. Literally repurposed things. This is like the first time in a long time that I've had to buy new cosplay stuff. So I was like, let me just go ahead and splurge. And then also like, I wanna do it right, because this Halloween series is gonna be so big, at least for me. So I just want to do this right and entertain you guys and feel confident entertaining y'all. Oh, and then I got her cape. One second. The purple cape to go with it. Okay, so that is Sarah. Y'all, I'm already tired. This is gonna be so much. I'm doing 3 characters. I'm doing a white backdrop and a blue screen because Winnie wears green, so I can't do a green screen. So I'm doing blue. I've never done a blue chroma key. So I'm hoping that won't be a waste of footage. I wanted to do this outside, but the sun is about to set. I don't want to do this 2 days in a row. Like, I'm like pushing it. Today is Tuesday. Even though this is my first video that y'all are seeing on YouTube, I've already filmed like 3 or 4 other characters that are still gonna be a surprise because you don't know it yet. But I filmed these out of order, so I'm tired. But I want to give it my all, but I really don't want to like go outside and have to deal with outside, you know? So I'm just blue screening it and hoping for the best. We'll cross that bridge together. We have Mary. Get her name right, Coco. Got another medieval looking yellow shirt. I feel like this could be like really cute off the shoulder with some denim and some boots. But anyways, so I'm wearing this yellow shirt. They had like a pink or this color vest with buttons, but I was like,
I don't think they had buttons in medieval times.
The purple skirt that I bought, y'all, it did not come over one hip. It said, so I'm wearing my mom's skirt. Kind of looks like something that they would have worn back then. So I'm like, okay, perfect. Why am I spending money? Purple skirt situation. So I don't even know if it fits, but we're gonna make it fit. So now that we've got our pile of stuff, I guess I have to actually start getting dressed. So for Mary's hair, you know, she has the upward ponytail. This is one of my old wigs. I'm gonna use this. I don't mind getting like a bunch of gossipy glued in it, and I'm going to throw it up in a ponytail, spray the ton of gossipy glued in it to get the ponytail to stay sticking up. So yeah, I hope that works. As far as makeup, they're all gonna have the same face except for Winifred. I'm gonna do the red middle lip thing, but all of them are gonna have the same eye. I ain't got time. I ain't got we ain't doing all that. Yeah, let's do it. 5:18 p.m. So let's see how long this takes. I don't know why I do this to myself. I woke up at 7 a.m. Actually, no, I was productive today. I edited 2 videos for like 2 other characters earlier today, so I did do something. I know this angle is really awkward. If you watch my Poison Ivy video, I'll link it somewhere up here. I talk about how I plan out all my cosplays and how I have folders for each character, what that looks like, show y'all the whole shebang, everything. She's giving Goldilocks. I like it. But the goal is to put her up into some kind of updo. So I need to spread out the curls so I can get it as big as possible. So I'm gonna do that. This is what we're looking like right now. Oh my gosh, I love this wig. Wait a minute.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Now the goal is to get it up in some kind of updo. Let's try rubber band first and see how that works. Let us pray.
God, give me the strength to become Winnie Sanderson and all her updo glory.
Amen. Leave this section down so that it covers up the imperfections. My head big. I had to undo this little clamp in the back. The blue screen that I'm using is cloth, and I normally use papers because I don't have to worry about wrinkles, but the blue screen I'm using is cloth, and I'm sure it's folded up, so I'm sure it has like mad wrinkles in it right now. I'm wondering if I should steam that before I even try. Part of me is like, no girl, just go ahead and get the wig done, and then you can take it off and put it back on. So I'm just gonna continue with what I'm doing. This up and like that. Okay. And if I put this up in like another puff bun and join the puff buns, you picking up what I'm putting down? Can we see? Am I too high? You've got kind of like the shape, and then I'll pin this. We gonna get there. Got this little container of hairpins. We can get through this net. Come on, girl. Ear flaps. Supposed to be all the way down there. They said we ain't flapping nowhere, girl. Your head is big. It's all the illusion. Everything's fake. I work in Hollywood. I'm very aware. I'm Winifred. Period. Oh girl is FaceTiming me. Hey. So I'm doing, have you seen Hocus Pocus? Yeah, yes, the white lady with the big bowl. I put a spell on you. Okay, so I'm in the middle of filming this, and this just came in the mail, not sponsored whatsoever. Ordered these like LED light bars so that I can put on my backdrop so I don't have to keep changing the backdrops. I am gonna have to change to the blue screen, but I'm excited. This is about to add a whole new little element to the situation. These are the Govee Flow bar lights or whatever. They were Amazon choice, okay? So this is why I went with this brand, no other reason. It's got the user manual. Oh my God, I kind of want to set these up. I wish I had done it before I put on these like press on. That's why I'm like touching things like I'm scared because they will pop off. I love that I'm unboxing this as Winifred. Maybe I should speak in her voice, but no. Are they connected? Yeah, they're connected by one cord. The LED lights, I also got a strobe light that's over there, but y'all will see that for another character another day. What's in here? This is like Christmas. I should probably read the user manual. What does this guy do? Oh, it's a camera. Oh my God, this is a camera. What? Then there are 4 little boxes like this in here too. The way these nails have to last through 3 characters, I just don't even know. I think this is the remote. These are the last things in the box. This little, they look like sponges. Not sure what those are yet. I'm gonna read the directions, I promise. And then the power cord. That's what I was looking for this whole time. Assuming for today, the main thing I need are just the lights and the power cord and the remote, because I'll set up all that other stuff later. I'm literally in the middle of working the camera on top of the TV because it like senses the images on your TV and it changes the lights accordingly. This is advanced. I should have got like the basic joint. Okay, so I figured it out. It's controlled by this app. I don't know if it can see it. You can choose literally any and every color. We're gonna start shooting now. Finally, Lord have mercy. It's 8:49 p.m. Oh, okay. We started this at what, 5? This is what happens. Okay, y'all, that took me forever. Now we got in the swing of things. That's a wrap on Winnie. Let's go to Sarah. Also, these nails are like, no. A tornado flew around my room before you came. I don't know if I recorded any of that. My camera literally just like cut off on me. So basically I'm taking this toilet tissue roll, sticking it on top of my head, and gonna make the little ponytail, wrap it around. Let's see if this works. Step 1, we got the toilet tissue roll in. So now I just have to wrap the hair around and make it stay. Oh my gosh, that actually worked. Holy smokes. Okay, so now as far as the little pieces go, oh shoot, how am I gonna get my shirt on? All right. Are you shitting me? I am so impressed with myself. Let's do a time check-in. It is 11:51 p.m. Guys, it gets faster, I promise you. Ta-da! This is so fun. Having the time of my life. So now I'm gonna remove the blue screen, have a white backdrop, and turn my lights on, my like little new LED lights. What else do we have to do? I'll just keep it running. And now I'm gonna turn off all the lights. Turn off the lights in here, babe. This is why I can't get things done. Yeah. Watch this, watch this, watch this, watch this. Boom. Even more magic, right? Okay, so the bare minimum settings. I think I like green. I haven't done green for anybody. And green is kind of like a witchy color, so I think I'm gonna do green. Okay, let me turn the lights back on so I can take the pictures for this last look. That's a wrap on all of the Sanderson Sisters. Yay! That's me curtsying. We're gonna go through all of this footage, edit it. That's gonna take a while.
I put a spell on you. And now you're mine. You can't stop the things I do. I ain't lying.
No! Don't listen to them!
Been 300 years, right down to the day. Now the witch is back, and there's hell to pay. I put a spell on you.
Good joke. Happy Halloween. Thanks a lot. No, man, I'm serious.
Yeah.
You got your head. You're not kidding. All right. Yeah, gear up. Let's go, guys.
Hello, sailors! My name's Wilfred. What's yours? I put a spell on you, and now you're gone. My plan is fell on you.
As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for being here. Subscribe to this channel. Follow me on all my socials, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Hey, can y'all guess who I'm gonna be? Comment in the comments. Comment in the comments. Yes, let me know. Who do y'all think I'm gonna be tomorrow? Bye.